ABC Podiatry means always better care. We take the time to really care for and educate our patients about their problems, listen to them, and make sure that we come up with appropriate solutions. I would tell patients that they should not be afraid to come to the doctor. Many of our patients can limp in on the first visit and walk out with relief of their symptoms. We really provide relief almost immediately for most foot and ankle pain. We treat a variety of foot and ankle pathologies, including diabetic foot care, ingrown toenails, bunions and hammer toes, heel pain, and many other issues of the foot and ankle. We have a really solid mix of experience and technology. We have newly trained, highly effective physicians mixed with experienced and mature doctors in order to treat all of your foot and ankle pain. We take the time to listen to the patient in order to really determine what the correct treatment path for the patient. We really want the patient to experience compassion and relief of their pain. Our staff and our doctors are here to care for you and your problems, and ABC Podiatry will treat you with the utmost respect and compassion.